Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. We're going to be talking about inchworms today, not the bug, but the yoga posture. And this is a little bit of a moving yoga posture, and it's one of those things that a lot of times he'll say something, like I won't even say the name in yoga class because everybody will groan, but it's one of those good for you kind of postures. I'm working with someone right now that is working into Chaturanga, and I know a lot of you are also working with that. Inchworms are a really great way to get the strength and understand the movement that you need to find, the collaboration between your muscles that you need to find in order to have a happy Chaturanga. So, inchworms, here we go. Let's start on, let's go ahead and start downward facing dog. We'll do the whole down. Here's what we're doing. We're pointing our fingers forward or slightly out to the side. Our hands are shoulder width apart. When we bend our elbows, they bend back towards our toes. Got that? So first we're going to do this in slow motion. We're going to bring our knees down to the floor. We're going to keep our butt up in the air. Bend the elbows almost to the floor. Slide your chest, shoulders wide, slide your chest between the arms. Untuck your toes as you bring the pelvis down, and you're in Cobra. So down dog to Cobra. Now's the fun part. We're going to go back. Press into your hands, tuck your toes, use your hip flexors. Get your butt up nice and high. Keep pressing back. Whew, that was hard in slow motion. All the way to almost a child's pose. Then since the toes are tucked under, we just lift the knees back to downward facing dog. So in regular motion, it looks a lot more like that. So it's knees down, chest skims the floor, coming from downward dog into your Cobra. And then just reverse that action. Get the butt up high, chest down low, come all the way back into your downward facing dog. And that's an inchworm. If you need an intermediate for the back up, so again, to come into it, knees come down, chest almost down all the way to your Cobra. You need an intermediate, bring your forearms to the floor. And this will make it a little bit easier for you to get the butt up and come all the way back. A little bit harder when you come into your Cobra. So back your hands up before you come into your Cobra. I hope that's been helpful today. Gives you a little bit of extra to work on. We'll be bringing that into some classes soon, so expect to see some inchworms, and I expect you to get super strong from them.